Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to set up WPForms in WordPress. First, you'll want to install the WPForms plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Simply search for WPForms and click Install Now. Once installed, make sure to activate the plugin. This crucial step enables all the powerful features. After activation, you'll find the new WPForms menu conveniently located in your WordPress admin area, ready for you to begin building your first form. Now that WPForms is active, let's build your first form. You can start by choosing from over 100 pre-built templates, which saves a lot of time. The intuitive drag-and-drop builder makes customization incredibly simple. Just click and move fields around to get the perfect layout. You can also easily configure individual field options, such as labels, descriptions, and whether a field is required, ensuring your form collects exactly what you need. With your form fields in place, it's time to configure the settings. Here, you can adjust general options like the form's name and a brief description. A key step is setting up email notifications so you receive submissions promptly in your inbox. You can also customize the confirmation message that users see after they submit the form, providing a clear and friendly response. These settings ensure your form functions exactly as you intend. Finally, let's get your form live on your website. There are a couple of easy ways to embed it. You can use a simple shortcode, which works on any page or post. Alternatively, if you're using the Gutenberg editor, there's a dedicated WPForms block for seamless placement. Once embedded, simply publish or update your page or post, and your new form will be live and ready for your visitors to use. It's that straightforward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.